Samsung fans, get ready because the leaks for 2026's hottest handsets are here and they're sparking serious hype. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Model numbers for both the Galaxy S26 series and next-gen foldables have surfaced, according to Android Authority, giving us the clearest glimpse at what's coming next year. Early 2026 is all about the Galaxy S lineup. Model numbers SM-S942, SM-S947, and SM-S948 have been spotted, pointing to the Galaxy S26, 26 Plus or Edge, and S26 Ultra. Following the naming pattern of the S25 series, these numbers suggest minor but meaningful upgrades. While Samsung hasn't confirmed a launch date, leaks suggest an announcement could hit late January, with shipments starting mid-February. Past rumors hint the Edge variant may have been swapped for an S26 Plus, but either way, fans won't be waiting for long. And then summer 2026 will bring the foldables. Model numbers SM-F971, SM-F776, and SM-F976 hint at the Galaxy Z Flip 8 FE, Z Flip 8, and Z Fold 8. Interestingly, the Flip 8 FE's number jumps 210 spots from the previous one, leaving fans wondering if Samsung's treating it as a major upgrade or if it's just a quirk in the numbering system. Based on past launches, July is likely for the foldables, although official dates haven't leaked yet. Samsung's 2026 lineup is shaping up to deliver both powerhouse flagships and next-level foldables, and fans are already buzzing. This has given us a roadmap, but with Samsung surprises, there could always be twists before the official unveil. Are you ready for a Samsung-packed year? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.